Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful Valentine's Day nail design. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael Symone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Ballet, Cherael Pure White, Pro Dip Silver Dip Powder, Azure Beauty Red, and Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying bond to dehydrate the nails. Now I'm just applying base to the whole nail and then dipping it into the clear dip powder. This acts as a base to build my nails. So usually I apply base to half the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder, and then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. But I decided to switch it up a little bit. So I place some Cherael Pure White into a container, and then I apply some of the Azure Beauty Red. A little goes a long way, so not too much. And then I swirl it together to get the marble effect. This red, the powder bleeds a lot, so be careful when using it. So I'm starting with my index finger. I apply base to the whole nail. And then I sprinkle Revel Nail Ballet onto my nails. I did 3 layers on my index finger, but I only showed 2. Then I place a straight line down the center of the nail, and I place it into the marble mixture. Now onto the middle finger, I'm doing a chevron color block nail design. So I place base on the whole nail, and then using the Azure Beauty Red and the Pro Dip Silver to achieve my chevron color block. So it's all about how you angle your hands into the powders. And I leave it in the powder for 5 seconds, and then I proceed to the other colors. Well, yeah. The problem I had with this nail is that the red is very opaque and it bleeds a lot, so the silver didn't pop as I wanted it to. This is my second time using my non-dominant hand to do my nails, since I took a month off of doing my nails because of a little injury I had on my nail. Damn, how many times did I say nail in one sentence? So I'm still a little rusty and I'm still not doing as good as I should, but I'm getting there. So I was having an off day with this design. I'm not going to front. It wasn't like it usually is, but I pushed through. I made a lot of mistakes with this design. I say that because I want everybody to know that yes, I just do real shit sometimes too. Not all the times my nails comes out, you know, amazing or anything. So I just wanted to say that, yeah. It came out good at the end, this one, but I was doing real crap. Oh my goodness. Now, onto the ring finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into Cherael Sky Pure White. And I'm doing a marble design on this nail. So now I apply base to the whole nail and then I apply it to the marble mixture. So if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below to let me know what you think. And comment your thoughts as well, it really helps my channel. So on the pinky finger, it's going to be a full pink nail. So I did 2 layers and then I applied some heart iridescent sequins to the nail. Because it's Valentine's, no time for love and stuff. And then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Now onto the thumb, I just did a color block nail design. I really liked how it came out. It's cute or whatever. So I'll stay quiet and let you guys see how it's done because I can't really explain it too well. All I could say is how it's about how you angle your finger in the dip powder, and I leave it in the dip powder for about 5 seconds each time I dip it. So yeah, just take a look. I think I did 3 layers of that, but I don't show all 3. I think I only showed 2. So I encapsulate the nails with clear dip powder. The reason why I leave this clip in the video is because it gives you guys a really good look at the designs before I encapsulate it. Then I applied activator and waited a few minutes, then began filing. This is after filing the nails. Decisions. Which top coat should I use on my nails? I chose the gel top coat. So when using gel top coat with dip powder, you don't have to use activator again after filing. Just go in with the gel top coat. However, if I wasn't using gel top coat, I would have to use the activator and then wait a while and then go in with the dip powder top coat twice. I would also like to say that this design was inspired by a YouTuber named Nancy. So after I was finished with applying the gel top coat, I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I apply the gel top coat to the thumb. I leave the thumb for last because of obvious reasons. So I decided to bling out the thumb a little because it was looking a little basic. So I used some of the rhinestones on my nails and I made a pretty little flower, just like the ones you guys would be getting for Vday from Lebu, I hope. I also cured this one for 60 seconds. Then I waited for the nails to cool down a little and then I applied cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!